Hello friends, good evening. Swastik here again, back with daily market update. So before starting the market update, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, Swastik Upadhyay. You can go in the YouTube and search it. You will find my channel, and do please subscribe. In this channel, herein I am being putting daily market update. As you can see the videos, I have been putting regularly the markets update, and in coming days, I am planning to upload some educational videos regarding options also. So please subscribe my channel. So now let's go to the market update. So as we can see in today's market, the market has broken our resistance level and closed above that. 11,370 is what we were expecting the market to sustain, but it didn't. It closed above that, and today it closed at 11,391 actually in cash, in spot I'm telling. And the open of the market was also, it was not a gap up or gap down, it was mere a plain opening. The market opened at 11,256 and went up till 11,391. So it was a very good move in the market, and moreover it has crossed our it has crossed our resistance line also, which we have decided in the beginning of this week. As you can see here, it was a good move of around 1.23% today, that is 138 point above the market has closed from yesterday's close. So from herein, the chart and the chart says that the market is up now. I mean, we can see a positive biasness in the market until this range is broken again. If the market is above this range, we can always expect the market to go up. We might see 11,500 also soon if the market sustain above this line tomorrow, maybe for 1 or 2 hours. And let's see the let's see the option chain now. What is there actually? Let's see. I have not opened the option chain today, so I'm opening it in front of you only. So this is the option chain for Nifty for this week, that is Thursday. Let's see the put side first. The put side highest Y is visible at 11,300, and almost the same number of Y is also at 11,200. So this 11,300, 200, I mean 11,300 will play a very important role actually today. I mean in this week will play as a good support also. And in resistance, if we see, the highest Y is at 11,500 as expected, and then we are seeing it okay, it's 11,400 as the highest Y, 39,000, but it's in the money now. And after that we can see 11,500 has the highest Y. So tomorrow we have to see how the Y reacts, the open interest reacts, and let us find tomorrow only what will happen, where this expiry will go. Let's see the pain in the market. Okay, let's see the pain. The pain is at 11,300 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the pain of the market is at 11,300, and the put call, let's see what the put call ratio is suggesting. The PCR is suggesting 1.36, that's a bullish market according to the PCR. So this is what, okay, now let's see the VIX actually, where the VIX is, India VIX, which is also playing a very important role in determining the volatility of the market. Let's see, that's the daily VIX. Yes, the VIX is near 20. The more the VIX near 20, the more we can expect the market to be in a very stable condition. So there is no fear in the market, so we can expect a bullish market in coming days. I'm not telling you tomorrow only we'll see a very good move in the bullish part, but yes, if the VIX remain on this range only, we can expect a good up move in the market. So that's it, friends. If you are okay, let's see the Singapore Nifty also before winding up. SGX Nifty, yes, here is SGX. Oh, so sorry. SGX Nifty India August. Yeah, the SGX now is at, oh, it's minus actually. It's 33.5 point minus, and it's trading at 11,379. It's 9 p.m. in Indian time now. It's at 11,379, and moreover, the global cues are also not good actually. I have checked that few minutes before making this video, and I have found out that the global news is not good for the market for the evening update. If I say, the US stock also, I mean, erased the gain after touching a record, as because the US tension with China was overshadowed strongly home on construction data actually. And then European indexes also turned negative, led by the oil and gas stock, as the Brent crude has fallen sharply actually. So these are the few things which let the international market slip for now. So for that reason also we have seen some fall in the SGX Nifty also. So let's see what happened tomorrow. As I have told you, the support, if market opens above this, we can expect a good move tomorrow, or else the same thing, it may stuck in this range only 11,369 to 11,114 for this week also. Thanks friends for listening to it. Do share it to your friends if you are liking my channel, and if you want to learn more, do subscribe. Thank you very much. Good night.